A for apple.
A for apple.
A for
Apple.
apple means
Save.
B for boy.
B for boy.
B for
Boy.
boy means
Ladka.
C for cow.
C for cow.
C for
Cow.
cow means
Guy.
D for dog.
D for dog.
D for
Dog.
dog means
Kutta.
E for eagle.
E for eagle.
E for
Eagle.
eagle means
Bird.
F for fish.
F for fish.
F for
Fish.
fish means
Machli.
G for goat.
G for goat.
G for
Goat.
goat means
Bakri.
H for horse.
H for horse.
H for
Horse.
horse means
Ghoda.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
I for
Ice cream.
ice cream means
Ice cream. Wow, yummy.
J for jug.
J for jug.
J for
Jug.
jug means
Jug.
K for kite.
K for kite.
K for
Kite.
kite means
Patang.
L for lion.
L for lion.
L for
Lion.
lion means
Sale.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
M for
Monkey.
monkey means
Bandar.
N for nest.
N for nest.
N for
Nest.
nest means
Ghosla.
O for owl.
O for owl.
O for
Owl.
owl means
Ullu.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
P for
Parrot.
parrot means
Tota.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Q for
Queen.
queen means
Rani.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
R for
Rabbit.
rabbit means
Khargosh.
S for shape.
S for shape.
S for
Shape.
shape means
Jahaj.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
T for
Tiger.
tiger means
Cheetah.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
U for
Umbrella.
umbrella means
Chhata.
U is for umbrella. Umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. V for van.
V for van.
V for
Van.
van means
Van.
W for watch.
W for watch.
W for
Watch.
watch means
घड़ी.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
X for
Xmas tree.
Xmas tree means
Christmas tree.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Y for
Yak.
yak means
Yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Z for
Zebra.
zebra means
Zebra.
Z is for zebra. Zebra, zebra, zebra.
Thanks for watching video. हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और वीडियो को लाइक भी. बाय बाय.